Hi, welcome to Parrot and Wolf. Today we're going to look at important fixed phrases and expressions in English involving money. English has lots of idioms, expressions and phrases that are used in particular situations, and often the meaning isn't obvious. The best thing though is they're fun to use and make the English language much more interesting and vibrant. So let's get started. Money's a bit tight at the moment. This is a simple expression that means you don't have much money. It's a temporary situation and you expect to have more money soon. It can also be used as a polite way to decline an invitation. You can't change the words. An example in context is, sorry, I can't come to the restaurant. Money's a bit tight at the moment, so I'll eat at home. Next, it's hard to make ends meet. This is a simple expression that means you have just enough money to survive. Your money coming in and your money going out are the same. It's a long-term situation and it's quite serious. You can't change the words. Another example is, John's got 2 jobs and works 16 hours a day just to make ends meet. Next, David's worth a fortune now he sold his business. This is a simple expression that means worth a lot of money. It can be used for people and things. You can't change the words, but you can add a modifier. Another example is, those Da Vinci drawings must be worth an absolute fortune. Next, put your money where your mouth is. This is a simple expression that means prove it. It's used to encourage someone to support what they're saying. You can change the pronouns, but they have to match. Another example is, John has been talking about moving to Australia for 3 years, so I told him to put his money where his mouth is, and I think he's finally going to do it. Next! Sarah's got money to burn. This is a simple expression that means has lots of money. It's used to talk about rich people, but it's often a temporary situation. You can't change the words. Another example is, David got a performance bonus from work last month, so he's got money to burn. Next, teenagers these days have got more money than sense. This is a simple expression that means careless with your money. It's used to talk about wealthy people, but it shows they don't spend their money wisely. You can't change the words. Another example is, John bought some sunglasses for £1,000 yesterday. He's got more money than sense. Next, money doesn't grow on trees. This is a simple expression that means money doesn't come easily. It's used to say that money must be earned. You can't change the words. An example in context is, look, money doesn't grow on trees. If you want a new car, you'll have to work for it. Next, I'm not made of money. This is a simple expression that means I don't have any money for you. It's used as a reply when someone wants you to pay for something or lend money to them. You can't change the words. Another example is, you should stop asking your mum for new toys. She's not made of money, you know. Next, get more bang for your buck. This is a simple expression that means to receive more for the same money. It's used to compare 2 products or services. You can't change the words. An example in context is, the grey laptop has a faster processor and more memory than the red laptop, and they're the same price. So you get more bang for your buck with the grey one. Next, my new car cost me an arm and a leg. This is a simple expression that means to cost lots of money. You can't change the words. An example in context is, I hope this holiday is going to be fun and relaxing. The flights and hotel cost me an arm and a leg. Okay, so we've got 10 expressions and phrases we can use to talk about money. Remember, some of these phrases you can edit and some you can't, but with most of them, you're safe with the standard phrase. So, to summarize, we've looked at money is a bit tight at the moment, make ends meet, worth a fortune, put your money where your mouth is, money to burn, more money than sense, money doesn't grow on trees, I'm not made of money, more bang for your buck, and it cost an arm and a leg. To find out more about learning English for Cambridge and IELTS exams, business and work, or general conversation, visit ParrotandWolf.com.